Hello everybody. If you ever thought, well, I want to be a developer, I want to do something, I want to build something that can help people and maybe help myself. But you know what, developer, that sounds too, mysterious. You know what? In the right place. We're going to start building extensions on one of the tools that nearly everyone uses, Chrome. And Chrome extension, that kind of development is so easy, and you know what? It runs quietly on massive parts of modern web. And you know what? You can use the extension to automate work, to save time, to protect privacy, and in many cases, they do help you to turn your idea, to turn the entrepreneurship into a real business. And it's not like you develop a full-fledged web app or a native app or some AI embedded, really complex application, but rather it's like, I got an idea, boom, I got it down. That's how powerful and how quick that you can sort of, monetize your idea. So I think this is a very, very good place to get started. And you know what? That's all this bootcamp is about. It's about Chrome extension development. My name is Pai, and I am a developer and entrepreneur. And I've published multiple Chrome extension. You know what? I published that myself. And right now, if you go to Chrome Web Store today, you can still see them. Okay, so I think that's make this bootcamp a little bit different because I always got something to show for. Because I am developer myself, I develop things. I'm not just purely focused on teaching. And you know what? Some of the Chrome Web Store extension that I personally developed and made and published receive the official featured badge. So it's a great honor, and it got hundreds of thousands of users, active users right now. So all that I think is kind of, I'm not boasting, but rather I dabbled in a lot of developments, and I think the main goal here, right now, especially in the age of AI, is not to learn how to do things, but rather, how to turn the ideas into the feasible products and test the water of the business field. Okay, so you can actually do something and see how that goes. If it does not go well, you can modify it, you can improve it, or you can jump to the next project. And I think the Chrome is the minimum viable products, the most easy way to quickly do that without relying too much of the back end and all that. Okay, and of course it can expand your business. So you can start with the Chrome extension, and then you can make a web app, and then you can make a multi-cross-platform app that can run natively on your phone, or maybe embed it into, say, other AI products. So I think it's a very, very good place to start. So I think the whole of this is not just you learn the knowledge, but I want you to learn the whole process and the whole structure of how the app work, how business works. And I want you to build first clean and then scalable app. And then, you're going to get good review for your app in order to continue to attract the customer, maintain good brand. And I want you to build something that you're proud of and actually ready for the real user. So, yeah, that's basically what I want to create in this bootcamp. And I'm so excited that I choose this bootcamp. Let's get started.